Hong Kong has one of the highest Gini coefficients among developed economies. Recent studies on income inequality tell us that income inequality is a global phenomenon. Income inequality, according to these scholars, has been fueled by globalization, the communications revolution, and what some call patrimonial capitalism. A recent study by Branko Milosevic, a Serbian-American economist, finds that the greatest winners of globalization are people from the emerging Asian economies, predominantly China, but also India, Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia. Hong Kong was a winner too in the 1980s and 90s, but our economy seems to have peaked by 1997 as our competitive advantage in many areas become increasingly eroded by rising costs, resource constraints, and complacency in governance. Perhaps nowhere on earth is the economic surge of China more keenly felt than in Hong Kong, or the gap between the rich and poor more sorely dramatized. In our tiny territory of about 1,000 square kilometers, rich city and poor city live cheek by jowl. The daily dramatization of the lifestyle of those obscenely rich people by our media makes it hard for the ordinary man in the streets to live unaware of the yawning gap.